Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather sports seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and twin-turbo V8 engine. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,